Hi everyone, this is Frank, and I'm gonna introduce you some of the features and of the smart home control panel L. After we have installed them on the wall, and we light up the screen, that you will say this is the front page. You'll be able to say the time, the weather, and temperature for some basic informations. And also, you'll be able to say we have two shortcuts here. The shortcuts can be used to control the device. Also, you can able to control the thing as well. And meanwhile, those shortcuts can be added. You can delete them, and you can add the thing, the device, and your local switch as well. For example, we have added home as the shortcut. Then you will have this home thing as the shortcut. Okay, on the right is all your device list, which will be automatically synced from your app after you scan the code. So let's take this light, for example. You'll be able to adjust this brightness and also the color as well, and the thing as well. And also the air conditioner, AC, you'll be able to adjust this one. And also we have different modes for you to choose, to heating or to dry. And now you can adjust the angle of the fan. And the curtain, you'll be able to adjust how wide you wish to open the curtain. We use percentage here. On this, you'll be able to check through the room. We have bedroom, living room, so they have different devices accordingly. And on the right, if you wish to hide one of the devices you probably not use, so you'll be able to control it like this. Another way, and if you wish to hide a device, you can click on it and hold for a few seconds. Wow, it's the same. Okay, while on the left, we have the same page. The same as the device, it will be automatically sync all your app things here on this page. So we can see it's home and leave. You'll be able to execute the things by clicking on the thing. And also there are two ways. If you wish to edit this page, you'll be able to click the edit, to delete, or you can just hold on for a few seconds to delete as well. If you wish to add, you'll be able to add the thing here. While we scroll down the front page, this is what we call the next screen. You'll be able to say that we have device and things here. The purpose of having this page is that we want to significantly improving your efficiency for having the devices to be controlled and also the same. Comparing with those device lists, you have to here, like we do this way. So on the next page, you'll be able to adjust it just like this way. Like we can adjust the fan speed, we'll be able to adjust the light, and also you'll be able to support your choice for what devices you want to have the quick control here. Okay, next we're going to introduce the multimedia page. While we're in this page, we will say that there's a multimedia devices like the doorbell and the control panel and the door lock and camera as well. So as first introduce this camera, when you just click on the camera, you'll be able to watch the live streaming of your camera. Like you have a baby, you'll be able to watch them through the panel here. And also, if you have multi panels, like you have one in the bedroom, the other in the kitchen, you'll be able to making calls between the panels. So if someone's at the door and like the doorbell and the door lock, they push the button, you will get the instant message pushing on the panel to help you to answer or deny or open the door for them. Well, this panel is Alexa built-in device, which means you'll be able to use Alexa as a voice assistant to control the device, play music, and news as well. Let me show you how this can work. Alexa, turn on the orange.
Okay.
And also, Alexa, set the orange to green.
Okay.
And also, you'll be able to use Alexa to control the scene as well. Alexa, I'm back.
Okay.
So when you're coming back home, you turn all the devices on. Also, you can able to say that so you have a home mode. Alexa, turn on home mode. Alexa, turn on home mode.
Okay.
Alexa, play music.
Sure. Here's iHeartRadio.
Okay, on the front page or any other pages, when you'll be able to say the setting page here. You can adjust the volume and also adjust the screen brightness as well. Let's take a deep look at the setting. The setting has a network, display, Alexa, and volume, and same language as well. Let's take a look at the same. We offer 5 different themes for your preferences. And also we have 3 different types of screensavers as the setting. And one important thing is the proximity sensing, which means that we have a proximity sensor which will be automatically detect people's motion, and when you're approaching the screen, it will be automatically light up. You can adjust settings on distance. You want to far, middle, and near, and also you can turn on and turn off this functionality as well. Thank you.